Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix TE1 error code on LG dryer. So first one is unplug the dryer, and now you can just simply clean the lint filter, exhaust vent, and inside the drum area because overheating can trigger the TE1 error. Now guys, TE1 code usually means a faulty temperature sensor or wiring issue. So just simply remove the back panel and check if the thermistor wires are loose, damaged, or disconnected. And you could also use a multimeter for normal reading. It is around 10 to 15 kiloohm at room temperature. And if out of range, replace the thermistor. And after that, just simply put panels back and plug it in and run a short cycle to see if the error is gone. And there you go. See ya.